Hello people and welcome back to Comet Dashcam channel, a channel which features only the latest and most epic road moments caught on driver's dashcam, and this episode won't disappoint. Make sure to sit back, relax and press play. In the first video, we already have a crash between a semi-truck and a sedan driver who tried to pass him on the shoulder. Hopefully no one is injured.
Yep. Pull over to the side. Fuck.
And then when you start saying this, you're gonna get into that realm of, oh shoot.
Cutting in front of others without even using your indicators is not the best thing you can do. Driver was lucky that he didn't cause an accident here.
So driving over here, man, you're gonna get a lot of content. Bronx driving is the worst, man. It's so bad that I could stop going for the no signals and all that and just get the real good that, like, oh, they almost got an accident. Oh, they got in an accident, like that type of content.
Not everything has to be negative and crazy. We love to feature clips in which drivers are considerate and let other vehicles in front of them when others don't bother.
Hours naturally. The shipwreck is a harrowing experience.
Oh, Salazar told you about the wreck.
You didn't have to, I knew. You are not the first to founder of Shipwreck Island.
This is Shipwreck.
Yes, and the most amusing spot, I guarantee. Now, if you will follow Salazar, he will show you to your room and catch some breakfast. Sleep the day through, my friend, and tonight we'll sail.
We have a similar situation here like in the previous video. One driver was in a hurry and he decided to run a red light. Of course, karma hit back immediately and reminded him that it was a bad idea.
Красавчик. Отец, ты на красный ехал, а он на зеленый ехал.
Я зеленый ехал, брат, вот следы тут. Я зеленый ехал, вот следы.
А я ехал на зеленый.
Shut. Shit. Hey. Mira este cabrón si no usa la fucking de eso, coño.
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something based on all the mistakes you saw in today's episode. If you truly support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because it helps the channel grow. While you're there, hit that subscribe button and bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.